We are here today in downtown Fort Wayne at my latest listing, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 650 square foot condominium in Midtowne Crossing. Now, Midtown is not just a condominium complex, it is a lifestyle, truly in the center of downtown Fort Wayne. Walking distance to the festivals, to bars and restaurants, and not to mention your own art museum in the alleyways. All right, welcome to Midtowne Crossing, Unit 305. Now this is an awesome 1-bedroom unit, and one of the best features of it is these expansive, tall ceilings. You also have these huge windows overlooking the courtyard, and it's an interior facing unit of the building, so you don't get any of the downtown road noise or noises, but you get all of the downtown conveniences. Trash chute. Don't forget the gym. Laundry on every floor. Attached parking garage with a spot just for you. That's Midtowne Crossing, Unit 305. Get downtown just in time for festival season, guys, to enjoy it all.